Hey beauties! Have you ever wondered how your favorite mascara goes from the factory to your lashes? Today, I'm unveiling the secrets behind this magical makeup essential. First up, it all starts with raw materials. We're talking about pigments for color, oils for smooth application, and waxes for that perfect hold. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed into a creamy base. Next, this glorious mixture is heated and blended to perfection. Think of it like baking a cake. Once it hits the right consistency, it's cooled and prepared for the next step. Now comes the fun part, filling the tubes. The mascara is pumped into sleek, shiny tubes using specialized machines. Each tube is then paired with a unique applicator wand, designed to give your lashes that flawless lift and volume. But wait, there's more. Quality control is super important. Every batch is tested to ensure it's safe, clump-free, and long-lasting. Only the best make it through. Finally, the finished mascaras are packaged and sent off to stores and your makeup bags. And there you have it, the journey of mascara from factory to your fabulous lashes. If you loved this behind-the-scenes peek, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing cosmetic processes. Thanks for watching and keep those lashes luscious.